Hey friends, this video is a pre-Thanksgiving clean with us. This video is in collaboration with some lovely friends of mine here on YouTube. The playlist will be in the description box down below. I am going to be cleaning my daughter's room, getting it ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I'm doing a deep cleaning in this room today. Moving on to making the beds. I'm not going to be talking that much in this video, you guys. I'm just going to let you enjoy the vibe of the music and the aesthetics of the video. You guys check our playlist in the description box down below. Love you. Bye bye.